Alright, so I did a walk around of this bike before after I changed the pipes, and then I went and I removed the baffles from them, and the sound didn't sound that great, so I'm going to do this time a full walk around. I did a sound check from one position. I'm going to do a walk around right now. We're going to start it up, see what they sound like without the baffles on my 2021 Street Bob FXBBS 114 cubic inch. It's about 1875 cc's comes out to. Make sure we're in neutral, and we are, so we'll start her up. Like my little water bottle there. A little water bottom mount. So here we go. Sounds a lot louder. So I like this windshield because instead of having the fairing on it, it gives the same protection, if you can see how big it is, but you really don't notice it. It's transparent, so you got to really look for it to even notice that it's got a windshield on it. It's nice and shiny now. I gave it one of those, I just wiped it down with a little of that FX1, I think it's what it's called. Got a nice little rumble to it. So no backfires and pops like a lot of people are saying. This sounds good. Might as well tell you about a couple of my upgrades. Put the tool bag up front. Got the Memphis shades. This is the Memphis shades Rio Grande windshield. Then we got our straight highway crash bar instead of the mustache crash bar. This is it's just a straight bar. Anyway, we got our Bung King crash bar. We have our ram mount on a swivel here, the soda water mount for smaller bottles. You put in this insert, and this can adjust up and down. You see it's got the adjuster here that can adjust down. I want to keep it away. We also have some no-name brand, but it holds pretty tight. So I like the mount, similar to a ram mount for my cell phone. I got this from Germany. This is called a Moteo from the company. It's a little expensive to ship over to the United States though, and their communication sucks, but I like the way how it's mounted. Nice clean welds, grinding. It doesn't rub up against anything. Got nice washers in between. You got your Vance Hines 300 eliminators with the, of course, the packing removed. This is the, I got this from Harley Davidson dealership, Swingarm Bag. And, of course, got to have a better grip. The stock grips suck that come from the factory. Yeah. So far, these are my adjustments that I've done. Of course, I got it with the throttle boss. That little throttle boss allows you to rest your palm on it. So when you're cruising,